Well, you may have heard about how a reverse mortgage can help senior homeowners live more financially secure. Changes to the FHA guidelines and the new reverse mortgage are on the way. Here now to explain is Brad Friedman, reverse director at ReverseMortgage.pro. Brad, welcome back to the Hampton Roads Show. Happy holidays to you. Okay, big changes. Talk about the changes that have happened and the ones that are about to happen.
So HUD, this is a HUD program, and HUD has made some great changes to the program over the last year. It used to be designed for a senior over the age of 62, and their spouse had to be over the age of 62 as well. That's since changed. As long as one of the two primary residents, principal owners of the property is over 62, the reverse mortgage program may work. It's a great improvement for the program that HUD's put in place just in the past 12 months. But there are also changes coming. As we speak today, the reverse mortgage program is not credit or income driven. It doesn't matter if you have good credit or if you have bad credit. It doesn't matter if you have good income or bad income. Today, that program is changing beginning of 2015. So if you've been looking at the reverse mortgage program as an option for you or your family, this is a great time now to get informed, get the information, see the changes that have already taken place, and see what's coming.
Are you saying time sensitive before the change of the new year?
It takes about 3 weeks to do the program, so getting the information first, making sure that it's understood is most important, and then decide if it's something that you and your family could use and it will really help or improve your family's financial situation.
Some people out there, some seniors are looking to maybe possibly buy a new home. How can they do that with a reverse mortgage?
Reverse mortgage is a great program in a lot of aspects that people don't realize. You can use a reverse mortgage to purchase a home. And a lot of seniors are downsizing. They have these big homes with lots of equity that they want to sell. They can sell that home, put a significant amount of money down on a new home, purchase a smaller home, downsize, lower upkeep, and then use a reverse mortgage. You'll never have a payment for as long as that's your primary residence.
That's amazing. Also, seniors like to use the credit line as a financial tool for their retirement planning. Yes. You can use it for so many different things.
You can. HUD put the credit line program in place, and the program that HUD calls it is Use Your Home to Stay at Home. Most seniors want to stay home, and then the biggest asset is their house, as opposed to retirement savings. Most people don't have sufficient retirement savings, but they've got this big house. They can put a credit line, borrow against the house when it's needed, as it's needed, to do improvements, to get health care, to live more comfortably financially, and no monthly payments.
Brad, talk about the process and how does one get started and what they should expect if they want to look into this.
First step is make the call, get the information. Let us send you a package of information, the DVDs, so that you can really understand with your family if this is a good program for you. Second step, we're a local Hampton Roads company. We'd love to come out, sit down, make a house call, sit at the kitchen table with the senior and their family, and again, decide if this is something that makes sense to pursue. From there, it's the normal mortgage application process.
We are talking all about advice today. Anyone out there that's considering this, how could it change their life? What is the advice you have for them?
The first step, of course, is become educated about it. There's a lot of misinformation, a lot of people calling into 800 numbers. The program's used properly by most people, but it does get a bad reputation at times because people don't understand it. They don't have all of the information. So step one, get the proper information and get educated on how it could help you individually and your family, the positives of the programs and the negatives of the programs. The education process is so key.
If you get the right answers, it could change your life.
It can. It can. Seniors using their home to stay at home. I think all seniors that I talk to, they want to stay home for as long as they can, and they've got this big asset. Let's use it.
All right. Call for a free informational packet and DVD. Brad Friedman, ReverseMortgage.pro. Give them a call, 913-5265. Brad, happy holidays to you.
Great to see you.